What if your home battery could start with just a single stack, but then eventually scale to over 1,000 kilowatt hours in battery storage capacity? Well, that's what makes Sigenergy's SigenStor such an interesting product. The single stack can get you up to 54 kilowatt hours, but connect multiple stacks together and you could eventually get to over 1,000. It's an absolutely insane amount of energy. But how does Sigenergy do it? And is the rest of the system as impressive as that number suggests? Well, let's break it down. Sigenergy, formerly known as Point Guard, is growing a lot in popularity here in the US, but internationally is a completely different story. Sunwiz actually ranked them as the #1 energy storage supplier for Australia, Ireland, and South Africa. And Frost & Sullivan ranked them as the #1 stackable all-in-one distributed energy system in 2024, with over 28% global market share. The SigenStor combines an inverter, battery control system, DC EV fast charger, and multiple battery packs all in one neat vertical stack. The system's also capable of generator integration and vehicle-to-home and vehicle-to-grid capabilities. Now, all the components stack vertically, and they connect together with a simplified connection technology. So rather than running a maze of wires or conduits to the whole thing, you can easily and neatly just basically click them together. And if that sounds familiar, it actually should. We recently did a piece on SolarEdge and their newly launched Nexus system that uses this same sort of technology. So clearly, other manufacturers are seeing the ease of installation and the aesthetics of what Sigenergy has been doing for a long time. So let's start all the way up at the top of the stack with the energy controller. This is the inverter. This unit actually ships as one singular unit and is configured in the field depending on the size of installation that you need. So it can go anywhere from 3.8 kilowatts on the low end all the way up to 11.5 on the upper end. It's also capable of hitting 200% oversizing. So on that 11.5 version, it can actually accept up to 23 kilowatts in of PV DC solar. The unit has 4 MPPTs, so you're able to design on complex roof planes with different angles all into the one single unit, which gives a lot of flexibility to installers and homeowners if your roof isn't just one single south-facing plane. The unit also has a maximum efficiency at 97.8%, which puts it in the top tier of inverters in this category. Now, all those numbers are great, but they aren't by any means the biggest number on the data sheet. So moving down the stack, let's talk about the real star of the show, and that's the Sigen battery. The battery is an LFP chemistry, which has become the dominant chemistry in the residential storage market. It comes in 2 different sizes, a 6.02 kilowatt hour version and a 9.04 kilowatt hour version. Homeowners can actually mix and match these within one stack. A single stack can hold up to 6 batteries in it, for a maximum system size of 54.24 kilowatt hours per stack. Now, one important installation note though is that you can actually only put 2 battery modules together if the unit is wall mounted. In order to get all 6, it does have to be floor mounted. The battery falls within the industry standard operating temperature ranges from -4 degrees Fahrenheit up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. But where it outperforms other competition is it has a maximum altitude of 13,123 feet, meaning it can go pretty much anywhere within the continental United States. From a power perspective, it has a 3,000 watt discharge from the 6 kilowatt hour battery and a 4,600 from the 9 kilowatt hour battery. Now that stacks as you add multiple batteries, but ultimately the inverter caps the max output per stack at 11.5 kilowatts out, or about 48 amps. Now, of course, for that peak startup power, it can go up to 17.1 kilowatts in a 10-second burst, which means you could get over 70 amps, which is enough to start most of the large loads that would be inside a house like an AC unit if you're in backup capacity. Now, here's where the system starts to really separate itself though, because 54 kilowatt hours in a single stack is great, but it's not record-breaking on its own. Where the Sigenergy product really outperforms the rest of the competition is in expandability. So any system that's connected to a home for backup use is going to have a load hub with it. And that load hub has a 200 amp output and is capable of connecting up to 20 stacks to it. So at 54.24 kilowatt hours per stack, the system has a theoretical maximum of 1,087.2 kilowatt hours. That's an insane amount of energy for any capacity, let alone residential or commercial. Using that same math, the continuous power would be up to 230 kilowatts, but that's going to obviously be limited by the load hub and the connection to the home at 200 amps. But even that scaled back, that's an insane amount of power that could easily run whole home backup or a small commercial site for an extremely extended outage. Now, are most homeowners going to be installing 20 stacks at their home? No, probably not. But that's really not the point. The significance here is that this system is flexible enough to serve both homeowners who want a relatively modest system today and massive installations where a ton of energy capacity is needed tomorrow. And this is the SigenStor's real advantage. Look, single stack output is nothing chart topping, but that stack to stack scalability is what makes the SigenStor stand out as potentially the most flexible battery on the market. And if you thought that was the end of the crazy numbers, well, I have some news for you, because Sigenergy built a DC fast charger module that can go right into the stack. It can do up to 25 kilowatts continuous or up to 80 amps. For reference, other level 2 chargers that are on the market usually top out around 30 to 40 amps. So if you have a car that can handle that kind of capacity, it can charge really, really quickly. But the more important part here is using that charge and discharge capacity for vehicle to home or vehicle to grid capabilities. If your car can allow for it, you're able to discharge an enormous amount of power to your home, an amount that could actually power large loads inside your house in backup capacity. Sigenergy is also putting a lot of emphasis on energy management through the My Sigen app. Like other monitoring apps, it lets you see your solar production, your battery state of charge, and where your power is going from. You can also schedule in it when your battery is charging or discharging to maximize self-consumption. But one of the really cool things that Sigenergy built into it is an AI feature that can both help you schedule your charging to maximize that self-consumption and act as a question and answer function. So you can ask it troubleshooting or error code questions or just production questions. It's a level of service that we don't actually see in many other apps at this point. Now, as impressive as the technology is, homeowners should always be asking what happens if something goes wrong. As far as warranties go, the Sigenergy battery and inverter here both carry a 10-year warranty on them. The battery also guarantees at least 70% retention capacity at the end of that warranty term, or once it hits a minimum throughput, which is about 18 megawatt hours for the 6 kilowatt pack and 27 megawatt hours for the 9 kilowatt hour pack. But what if you want your warranty to go beyond that? Well, Sigenergy is included on the Solar Insure AVL. And at Solar Insure, we rigorously vet any manufacturer on our AVL for equipment quality, company financials, warranty backing, and long-term viability. So this means that homeowners who want to get a Sigenergy system that is protected by a 30-year independent warranty covering both parts and labor can do so. So is Sigenergy's SigenStor the next big thing in residential batteries? Well, the technology is certainly impressive. An individual system has more than enough power for whole home backup, and the system can scale to an absolutely absurd level. The SigenStor isn't the highest output single battery that's available on the market. There are certainly others that have a higher single battery output. But compared to popular options like the Tesla Powerwall 3, the SigenStor actually beats it and holds its own in many categories. For homeowners planning for a large system down the road, or even for light commercial sites, that scalability is a real true selling point. This is a system built for people who want serious backup, not just a single battery. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure that you like the video. Check out the video description. I'll include links to our full written breakdown, as well as a link to learn more at Sigenergy's website. You can also find a link to find a Solar Insure certified provider near you. So if you're looking to get a great Sigenergy system and have it backed with a Solar Insure warranty, you can do it at that link. If you want more honest breakdowns of the solar industry, solar, battery tech, and solar education, make sure you subscribe to us here at Solar Insure. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.